Alrighty, everybody. Today we have Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, and continued bullish institutional activity here in the crypto sphere as eBay becomes increasingly more bullish on Bitcoin. Be sure to stick around till the end to not miss any of what's going on. Drop a like on the video if you like the video, and be sure to subscribe as we try to keep these coming at you every day. Now we're looking at XRP again, so we're going to quickly recap utilizing EngineeringRobo throughout the end of July. You saw that early bird on the 21st. The buy 4 actually showed up on the 27th. We're going to conceal the moon Robo advisor here briefly. You can smell that buy 4 over there. Bring back the moon. You accumulated once the early bird and buy 4 became bullish here. After accumulation with bullish Robo advisors, your investment saw up to 119% in upside. You easily just over doubled your money utilizing bullish Robo advisors. But if you didn't sell at that swing high, you were able to capitalize on 64% ROI utilizing bearish Robo advisors, turning a potential $1,000 invested into XRP into over $1,640 in just about a month and a half. Here we have an instance of bearish Robo advisors in play coming from the 94-cent level throughout the end of November. After bearish Robo advisors, XRP experienced a dramatic 41% in downside, losing just about half of your investment if you were holding on to XRP with bearish Robo advisors in play. Here we have that buy 4 on the 23rd of December. We're not buying at that level because we need 2 of our chosen 3 Robo advisors becoming bullish. We see that early bird on the 14th of January. We are not buying at that level because we need 2 of our chosen 3 Robo advisors becoming bullish. And with the early bird more recently on the 1st of February coming into play before the 7th here where the buy 4 and moon Robo advisors showed up, we did accumulate XRP accordingly. However, going with the flow of the confirmations here, bearish Robo advisors have returned, and we've adjusted this descending trend line, and we are awaiting for bullish parameters of accumulation to return here for XRP. So now, say you have $1,000 to invest in XRP. Well, we already put 20% of that investment in at support. It would appear the 24th of February is when EngineeringRobo members were able to accumulate at my support level. We can put 50% of our investment back into XRP when 2 of our chosen 3 Robo advisors return to a bullish state, and we can put that remaining 30% back in once we have daily candles opening and closing above the adjusted descending trend line. We always go with the flow of the confirmations. Once invested in XRP, feel free to take profits at my resistance levels. We have 94 cents overhead, $1.22 in addition to $1.50. However, we always remain 50% invested until bearish Robo advisors suggest otherwise. Currently under the influence of bearish Robo advisors, so we do anticipate potential continued consolidation along the underside of this descending trend line, perhaps toward my support level. If daily candles were to continue downside toward support, opening and closing below 63 cents would confirm it as resistance, and then we would further reduce our investment and anticipate reinvesting at a more bullish level, perhaps lower support at 46 cents. So we are prepared for all directions in price movement here, in my personal opinion, which does not matter at all. I personally find it way too difficult to be bearish on crypto, especially Bitcoin, and the whole crypto sphere here is just far too bullish in my opinion for me to be anticipating any sort of continued downside. However, we always go with the flow of the confirmation. With bearish Robo advisors in play, we do anticipate continued consolidation, and we are just patiently waiting for signs of accumulation. Alrighty, so major e-commerce marketplace, eBay, the site used to purchase pink bathrobes, rare mint snow globes, and Smurf TV trays, could integrate crypto payments soon, according to the CEO. So here we have yet another entity in the traditional world of finance here moving toward cryptocurrencies, and not for the first time. In an interview with the CEO of eBay, he revealed that the e-commerce giant is looking to transition to new payments modes, as they are already managing $85 billion of volume on its platform directly. Lots of activity here on eBay, it would appear. The CEO of eBay said that the company changed its policies last year to make the e-commerce platform a place to buy and sell anything, be it physical or digital commodities. The rise in popularity and demand for cryptocurrencies has made several online platforms add crypto payment options. eBay, with its focus on capturing millennial and Gen Z customers, aims to do the same. However, it won't be the company's first attempt at crypto payments. eBay first tried integrating Bitcoin payments in 2014. I feel like it is very easy to forget. Bitcoin's been around for like 10 years now, and so currently, at the cusp of some major adoption here, far more institutional accumulation than there ever has been, in my opinion. Far more capital involved in Bitcoin. I'm sure, yeah, as you can see, the price here is exponentially higher than it was in 2014. So this is a very different place in history, in the world, in the economy, and for Bitcoin currently. So my opinion, this is just yet another reason I've been finding it very difficult to be bearish on Bitcoin and crypto. All throughout this 50+% correction, we were in the dreaded 30Ks there. I was still personally quite bullish on Bitcoin and will remain until factors suggest otherwise. But let me know down below your thoughts on Bitcoin and crypto. Find this article in the description. Green to be seen across the crypto sphere here, it would appear. Waves doubling in value over the last week. We covered that within the week as well. Luna, you're currently up on your position, accumulating according to EngineeringRobo. So, in my opinion, further solidification of support accumulation did occur here. Hopefully, you were buying some of these dips. I do anticipate continued gains here until resistance presents itself. But already Ethereum, here it would appear, continuing its consolidation after a very nice near perfect retest of my support level. Looking at EngineeringRobo's buy suggestions, the buy to and buy for robo advisors throughout the end of July of 2021 allowed you to experience up to 81% in upside trading Ethereum utilizing bullish robo advisors. But if you weren't able to sell at that swing high, you were able to capitalize on 50-cent ROI utilizing bearish robo advisors. Here we have another instance of the buy to and buy for coming into play. Allowed for accumulation, your investment saw up to 38% in gains, and you were able to capitalize on 20% ROI utilizing bearish robo advisors within a 42-day time span. So you're easily able to capitalize on this upside here utilizing EngineeringRobo. And as we can see, if you chose not to take profit at these bearish robo advisors throughout the middle of November here, we can see Ethereum experiencing a crippling 48% in downside, finding support near my horizontal level there. $2,320 per Ethereum was a level we were anticipating for weeks leading up to it. So moving forward, we do have interaction with our bullish robo advisors here. The buy to and buy for combination did come into play throughout the beginning of February. However, an abrupt change in momentum has brought price action back down to support, and we are currently under the influence of some bearish robo advisors in play. So at the moment, if you want to invest in Ethereum, we can put 50% of our investment back into Ethereum when we have a second bullish robo advisor. That buy to has returned. We need that buy for though, or the golden cross to appear to allow for bullish accumulation based off of EngineeringRobo's buy suggestions. We can put 30% of our investment into Ethereum once daily candles are opening and closing above this descending trend line. And we actually already put that 20% of our investment into Ethereum at support throughout the end of January. If you missed that level, you were able to throughout the end of February. If you missed that level, we may not ever see it again. We always go with the flow and watch out for EngineeringRobo. So we just need a second bullish robo advisor here. Currently, we are anticipating continued consolidation, especially because resistance is coming off of this descending trend line, and we do anticipate continued consolidation towards support here. $2,711 near current prices is could be a key level where we do find support. However, the strongest area of support for us is going to be that aforementioned $2,320 level. So let me know down below your thoughts on Ethereum. Bitcoin, crypto, the currency, currently under the influence of bullish robo advisors, daily candles opening and closing above a descending trend line, and we are coming from a very nice interaction with support. So we are already invested into Bitcoin. You put 20% at support, you put 50% in when two of our chosen 3 robo advisors became bullish on the 28th of February, and you put that remaining 30% into Bitcoin when the March 1st daily candle opened and closed above the descending trend line. So we are just awaiting for a continued upside here, since this is a very bullish amount of upside in a very short amount of time. We do anticipate short-term consolidation, which is occurring currently. An interaction with this descending trend line as support would be very bullish for us. Potentially a range between would appear like 42,000 all the way down to 40,700 is going to be the range I anticipate continued interaction with and toward here as we find support, moving toward resistance overhead. $58,202 per Bitcoin is going to be a short-term level of resistance that will be giving us a hard time. However, I do anticipate a six-figure target soon to be revealed in a moment. We're looking at this buy to, buy for, and super buy all coming into play on the 28th of February. The last time we saw an instance of this combination of bullish Robo advisors was on the 1st of October around a $48,000 Bitcoin, and then we proceeded to set new all-time highs, experiencing 42% in upside over the following 40 days. So in my opinion, very hard to be bearish on Bitcoin at current levels, but especially with the fear and greed index here suggesting that we are far too close to the fear zone, a potential bottom in my opinion, rather than a top. I do anticipate continued interaction toward the FOMO zone. The fear of missing out zone, $167,000 per Bitcoin, is still a price I do anticipate interaction with before any sort of top is being discussed here. In my opinion, we are coming out of a very strong phase of consolidation. Major sideways and accumulation occurred all throughout 2021. However, especially between this 30K up to $42,000 level, that has been a very aggressive range of support here for us that we have been retesting now for the third time. So in my opinion, higher lows, higher highs, an uptrend forming. I do anticipate continued gains here toward that FOMO zone. You want to accumulate when the market is under extreme fear, and you want to heavily consider taking profits when the market is under extreme euphoria. So let me know down below your thoughts on crypto. Thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you for hearing my analysis. Check out EngineeringRobo for free. Subscribe here on YouTube and tune in for the next one.